Hey, what's up guys, it's Foster, and tonight we have a quick and easy install because I'm going to be putting on a carbon fiber lip on my 2015 WRX. Let's talk specifically about the front lip I chose for the WRX. I went with the carbon reproduction Sujin style front lip, and that's because, in my opinion, this is one of the best looking front lips you can get for the pre-facelift bumper. As you can see, it makes the car a lot more aggressive looking, and it adds some nice grounding effects too, so the car is going to appear a lot lower than it is. I'm especially excited too because I've got some other goodies planned for this exterior that are carbon fiber, including a diffuser and some other bits. And down the road, when I get those installed, this is going to tie together that carbon fiber accent really nice. I want to give you guys a quick damage report while the WRX is up in the air. As you can see, the passenger side fender liner is a bit cracked, probably due to being rallied, and the skid pan as well has been used, so I'm glad that that's on there. It definitely protected the car. And on the driver's side, there's actually no fender liner at all. I have a feeling it got ripped out of the car at some point. Luckily, I don't think that's gonna affect our install tonight, but just another thing that I'm gonna have to replace on this car as well. So since I'm the only one at the shop tonight, other than my little Yorkie, I'm gonna use some painter's tape to hold the lip in place. And that way I know everything is gonna be aligned and I can go ahead and start installing those self-tappers. So I got everything mocked up with some painter's tape, but I can already tell how this lip is gonna look, and I'm loving the way that it complements this bumper. It's not quite as aggressive as the S207 style lip, but it definitely adds some nice profile to the car. It sticks out about 2 inches from the front bumper, so nothing too much. And overall, I really think this is gonna be an awesome addition to the car, so I'm really excited to go ahead and get it installed and see what it looks like. So in case you guys are wondering, I've got some self-tappers I'm installing, and I've also got a drill with a small drill bit just to make a pilot hole, and that seems to be the easiest way to get this lip installed. Down the road, I'll probably switch to some more permanent hardware, but for right now, the self-tappers seem to be doing the job. Well, as you can see, I'm pretty much finished with the install. I've got all the self-tappers and washers installed, and I'm quite confident that this lip isn't gonna go anywhere. I've got it secured in multiple places. And once you look from the outside too, you can see it's a nice tight fit. There's no gaps or anything like that. So overall, this install is pretty much done. There you have it. In terms of installation, installing a carbon fiber lip on your WRX is a really easy project to do yourself. It's probably a 2 out of 10 in terms of difficulty. It's really not so bad, and it would be even easier if you had an extra set of hands and you didn't have to use tape like I did. But I'm really happy with the results. I think this Sujin style front lip looks really nice on the WRX, and I love how the carbon fiber ties into the carbon fiber emblem I've got. And down the road, I'm gonna be adding some more carbon fiber parts too, so I think all of it is gonna look really, really nice together. In terms of the fitment of this lip, I think maybe it's an 8 out of 10. There are a couple areas where there's some small gaps, which is just kind of the nature of aftermarket lips. They don't always fit perfect, and they get even worse if you buy them on eBay, so I definitely don't recommend that. So with all that being said, I'm gonna cut to some B-roll so you guys can appreciate how nice this front lip looks.
Depot on the beat.
pretty much a wrap for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching me install this carbon fiber lip on the WRX. It definitely is a nice mod, so if you guys are considering getting a front lip for your car, I'd highly recommend you go for it. I will put a link to this lip in the description down below. However, I think they are sold out on the SubiSpeed site, so it might be a while before you can order one of these yourself. Let me know what other type of carbon fiber parts you want to see me install on my car, or any mod in general. I'd love to hear what you guys want to see me install on this car. And with all that being said, don't forget to like my channel, hit that subscribe button for more WRX content, and I'll see you in the next video.